Dr. Kern here, a retired ophthalmologist, inventor for life, with food for thought. Day one medical school, my pharmacology professor projected a slide. If you know the structure of a drug, you then know how the drug will work. My ophthalmology professor said, every medical disease has a diagnostic eye finding. The dean of my medical school lectured, when you have many who each do a little, it mushrooms. The Australian GOV heavily promoted exportation. I was on ABC TV, the Inventors, bronze medal Paris International Convention of Inventors, $50,000 prize US. The trilogy of events that led to the invention are, number one, Mascara. At the end of a busy day as an eye registrar, my fingers were coated with mascara, black mascara. It took days to wash it off. So I invented an anti-COVID eyelid clip to isolate my fingers from the patient's eyelids. The clip was mounted on a 2-inch ring diameter, placed firmly over the bony orbit. It self-supports when the silicon-padded clip engages the loose skin just above the upper eyelashes. It exposes the entire upper eyelid cul-de-sac, a spectacular view never seen before until today. The OCUCEPT fornixscope worked well, but now it's time to add more functions to the thousands of instruments that were sold. The global market is $2 million, depending on price, per year. The serendipity event. There was nothing in the literature to report pain when vertically pinching the loose upper eyelid skin. You can squeeze real hard. Try it. This explains why many children actually enjoyed the experience. Note the smiley face of my 8-year-old daughter. This meant the possibility of mounting other diagnostic elements. Imagine an entire eye examining suite in the palm of your hand. Only $5 million to produce, the tooling, the software, microelectronics, and to produce the array of high-tech attachments. I present you the FDA-approved OCUCEPT eye fornixscope, wherein lies the 9 basic determinants of the business model canvas. Solve problems, make money.